Hi guys, today in this tutorial we are going to look how you can add purchase in Smart Bill Book. So make sure you have already registered in a Smart Bill Book billing application, and once registered just simply log into our application. So so once you came to the purchase section, so you will be able to see multiple options here like supplier, invoice, additional charges, and on the left side you will be able to see to select the products and everything. All right, so when you click on the add, you will be able to see some dialog box. So this is basically when you try to add the purchase bill, and if you have to add some more other amounts like TCS, forwarding sales, or many things, you can add it in this specific dialog. All right, so now I'm just entering the invoice number 2025 to 26, and I'm selecting the supplier name, and you will be able to see the products listed which I've added here, so that got listed here. So if you're able to see, if I got from the supplier of switch box of packet, I will enter here, and let's assume I got a quantity of 40, and hope so I might have got some discount, so I'm entering the discount as well. And here we are having some additional charges and detection as well. So every company has their own bill format, and if we need to add some additional charges for this specific product, which is mentioned on their bill, you can simply add those here. So let's assume I got some additional expenses, so I'm just adding it as expense, and the amount is something around 60. And if I add here, you will be able to see that got added, and the price will get to add to plus 60. And after that, if you see, if you are seeing here, right, after that the taxes got added of 12%, and you will be able to see the actual amount, total amount. So after adding, it will get listed over here. And let's assume on this bill you are having TCS charges as well. So when I click here, you will be able to see the dialog. I'm adding at TCS charges, and on the amount, let's assume I'm adding it as 400, and you will be able to see those particular charges are added here. And when I click on add, so you will be able to see the specific purchase bill got added. And now I'm going to the history section, and here you can, on the history section, you will be able to see all the purchase history added till now, till date. And if you want, you can delete it, or else if you want, you can edit this data, edit the purchase as well. But note, the when you're trying to edit this purchase, for now we are having only purchase bill date can be editable. So yeah, so this is how you can add purchase entry in a Smart Bill Book application. And now we are going to look how we can add purchase entry in Smart Bill Book mobile application. So in case if you have not registered on our application, just feel free to register on our application before logging in. And once registered, try to log in with the same mobile number and password. And once registered and once logged in, you will be navigated to the dashboard page, and inside menu section, and in the dashboard you will be able to see multiple options in the quick action. So we are having two entry point to add purchase entry from the mobile application, that is through quick action, as well as we are having one option in the menu, that is from purchase, and you can add purchase invoice from here as well. Once navigated to the purchase page, just enter you can update the dates over here by selecting this date picker, and you can update the invoice number, that is, let me keep it as 25 to 26, and I'm adding the supplier name. And if you want to add the product in the purchase, just click on this add product, and what all products you have added, it will be listed on this particular drop down. Just select the respective products, and if we are having discount in percentage, you can add it in the percentage section, or else if you If we are getting the discount in rupees, then we can simply add it in rupees and it will automatically get converted into discounts. And in all if you noticed, all of the product bills are not same, right? Some of the companies have different kind of bills given to the customer. So in that case, some of the companies has product which has some additional charges. So for adding those charges, we can simply select this and we can enter the reason, like let's say it is of it is for freight charge. Then for one single product, then I'm adding the amount as well. And if you can add multiple additional charges here, and now you will be able to see that is added, and accordingly 12% tax is added for this, and we got the total amount as 332. And I'm simply clicking on save, and you can, if you want to edit, you can click on it and you can edit this particular details accordingly. And here it's pretty much simple, like you will be able to see discount, additional charges, and GST, SGST and all. And I'm clicking on add product now, and I'm clicking on the second option. If you are having multiple products, you can simply click on the second option, and I'm simply clicking on add. Yes, here if you see, these are those details added. Now now if you have paid like this particular purchase which you received, if you have paid it, just simply click on this checkbox and it will automatically generate, it will add into our system that this particular bill amount we have paid. Okay. And if you want to change the state and the payment type, you can change it accordingly and enter the fill in the required details accordingly. So when I click on save, and now I'm navigating to sales purchase history, and you will be able to see the purchase history added over here. Now we are having one more option, like we can add purchase entry with the help of AI, that is with the help of uploading simple PDF. So for doing that, what happens is at one specific point, like you need to add product manually many times, right? To avoid it, so with the help of PDF, you can simply add purchase entry. No need to add manually. No need to add it manually. So for doing it, just click on this floating action button. You will be prompted to option. You can open the camera and take a click, or else you can get it from the gallery. So let's assume my PDF is this is the PDF which I got. So now I'm clicking on it simply, and now what happens is that PDF is recognized by our AI system, and accordingly it will give it will automatically populate all the details extracting the details from the PDF. So here if you see, the invoice, the date got automatically updated, the supplier got automatically updated, added, like the one which you are now the one which you are seeing in new are the one which doesn't exist on our system. Okay, so this supplier is not added, so that is why we are getting a new chip called new. Similarly, we are having multiple products here, and for this specific product, and we are seeing new, which means this particular product doesn't exist on our system. So what happens is, when you try to click on save, the non-existing one which are not added on a system will automatically get added to avoid manual entry. And it will also give suggestions, new suggestions, in sense like if you want to select this product, then you can simply click on it and you can add. But now this product won't get added on our system. Alright, so now I'm clicking on this, and you can see the tax, everything got automatically added, and now the total comes around this much. And if you want to mark it as paid, you can mark it as paid, or else ignore it for now. And now I'm simply clicking on save. So once added, you will be able to see that record on our purchase history, and And if I go to supplier, look, the the new supplier got added. Previously we had only one supplier, but now if you notice, new supplier got added with extracting all the required details like mobile number, I mean the address, state, and GSTIN. Now when I try to click on edit, so here if you see, all of the details got extracted properly. So once similarly, if you go to product section, if you remember we got only one product, right? But now if you see here, all the product which are added, which are recommended on the purchase system and which is not added, it will automatically get added to avoid manual entry. Even the stocks gets updated accordingly based on the quantity which we got. So yes, it's recommended, instead of adding the product manually, just come to our purchase, and if you just try to come on purchase and just use this AI system to automatically add everything to avoid manual entry again and again. So yes, and that's it for this video, guys. Hope you got how we can add purchase entry in our smart bill book application with the help of AI as well as manual entry. And in case if you have any queries or concern, you can simply drop a comment, or you can simply drop a comment in this comment section. And if you want more, if you want to join the community, then just simply click on that icon and you can join WhatsApp, Facebook community which are active. And if you are facing an issue and if you want to resolve it on a very quick basis, just simply call us on this particular mobile number. And if you want any new features, or if you want to have any bug fixes or something like that, and if you face any issues, you can also give feedback by clicking on this feedback section, and you can select the respective option and you can give us the feedback section. You can give us the feedback. So yes, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.